In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in Expensify. Tags help you categorize expenses by things like department, client, project, or event, so your reports stay organized and filters are easy to use. Here's how to set them up from scratch and how to import them if you already have a list. Start by signing into Expensify and heading to the home screen. From the left-hand menu, open Workspaces to view the workspace where you manage your team's policies and settings. Inside that workspace, look for the section called More Features. Open it, then locate the Tags option and switch it on. Turning on tags enables tagging across this workspace so members can choose a tag each time they create or edit an expense. Keep in mind you'll need the right permissions to manage tags. If you don't see workspaces or more features, your account may not have admin access, so check with the person who manages your workspace. Once tags are enabled, you have two paths. If you've got an existing list of tags and want to bring them in all at once, select Import. During the import, you'll be asked to choose between a single level of tags or multi-level tags. Single level works best if your tags don't have a hierarchy, for example, just a flat list of departments or clients. Multi-level tags are useful when you need a parent-child structure, like client, then project under each client. Pick the structure that mirrors the way you plan to analyze your spending. Using the right level now prevents messy reorganizing later. If you're building tags manually, click Add Tag. Type a clear, concise name. Aim for names that people will recognize and type consistently, such as marketing, engineering, or client alpha. Keep abbreviations short and avoid duplicates that differ only by punctuation or capitalization. When the name looks good, click Save. Your new tag is now available for use across the workspace. A few quick tips for success. Before you add a long list, jot down a simple naming convention like singular nouns and title case so everything looks uniform in reports. If you're unsure whether you need multi-level tags, start with single level. You can expand later if your tracking needs grow. And remember that tags are workspace specific, so make changes in the workspace where your team is actively submitting expenses. That's it. Enable tags, import, or add the ones you need, and save. With a well-planned tag list, you'll make expense review faster and your reporting far more insightful.